Hey all, quick update for the Fury and my wiring project here. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of jumper wires, and this is most of the stuff under the dashboard going into my revised auxiliary panel. But now I have all of these lights working as I wanted. So I have them each hooked up to a series of either an LED light or a fan. And each one of them turns on a light or a fan. For now, each of these are going to get reassigned, or they're all going to connect to a specific relay or to another resource. The idea being that way I can turn on that fan that I showed in a previous video. And now let me go ahead and integrate this. As you can see, it's going to be a challenge. And the world's hardest working 9-volt battery right there. Alright, if you'd like, go ahead and like and subscribe or favorite, whatever the platform you're viewing this on calls for. Till then, have a good one.